Now we are discussing about the concept is economics. In that today we are discussing about business account. What is business account for? A business account is a bank account that is used only for business transactions rather than personal finances. It can be opened in the name of the business, allowing payments to be made and received using the business name. Business bank accounts operate in a similar manner to personal bank accounts. Next point is, what type of account is a business account? A business checking account is the most versatile and widely used form of deposit account. Just like a personal bank account, you can put in money, withdraw cash, make payments and transfer funds. But in the name of business only, business account will be there. It may be shop or hotel, whatever it may be. That business account is also one owner will be there. He will only use that for transactions, for withdrawals and deposits. And next point is, what are benefits of business account? Separate business accounts help you track business expenses, present a more professional business image, and take advantage of tax deductions and credits available to small business owners while avoiding tax and accounting problems. So if you are having a business account, if your payments are regular and all these are there, bank account, banks will give loans on that business account, but transactions should be regular and payments also should be regular and the deposits also should be regular. But it may be periodical, means 1 day, 1 week or 10 days or 3 days or 4 days, whatever it may be, they will understand that and they will give very good loans for successful business accounts. And next point is, what is the difference between business account and current account? The main difference between business and personal bank accounts, as the name suggests, it is the business bank accounts are used to manage business transactions, while personal bank accounts are for personal expenses. This is the only difference. Personal bank account is only for personal expenses you can use, and business bank account is only for business purpose. It may be stock purchasing, or if you purchase the stock, you can withdraw the money, and if you want to sell something, you can deposit the money. So only for business transactions, business account will be there. But it will give a clear clarity to you what are the transactions and how much we are paying, how much we withdraw, all these will be there. So it is comfortable to separate a business account and personal account. It will give a clear clarity to you only. And next point is, what are the three main business accounts? These are important financial statements without requiring you to be an accounting expert. Statement 1 is the income statement and balance sheet. Then statement 3 is a statement of cash flows. And the next point is, what are the features of a business account? Distinguishing business dealings from personal financial dealings establishes credit worthiness, overdraft facility, adds to business competence, no limit on transactions. So features of business accounts. Only thing I observed in my experience is, once if you are having a business account, daily deposits are there and withdrawals are also in the same way, means you will get according to the volume of deposits and volume of withdrawals. They will compare and they will give overdraft facility also. But nowadays overdraft is also limited to according to the regular deposits. They will take it. By that they will consider what are the OD facility we can give. The banks will decide. And next point is, can I use my personal account for business? If you are a sole trader, you can use your personal account for business, though you may find a dedicated business account helpful. If you run a limited company, you must separate your personal and business finances using a business bank account. And next point is, what is the minimum balance for current account? The main minimum balance requirement for opening a normal account is 10,000 rupees. Current account. For current account, minimum deposit is, minimum balance requirement for opening a normal current account is 10,000 rupees. Next point is, can I use my savings account for business? Several small-scale businesses use a savings account as their primary business account because their earnings and transactions may be limited. The savings accounts that can be managed online can even be managed on the go. These online accounts are typically high yielding because of the higher interest rates. And next point is, can you spend money from a business account? The centrality of bookkeeping in competent financial management is why it is important to reiterate that a business bank account should only be used for business purposes. Personal purchases with a business debit card have the potential to derail a healthy bank balance or slow down finance teams. And next point is, can I open current account without GST? To carry out any financial transaction for your business, you require to set up a current account. However, GST is not mandatory to open a current account. A current bank account is widespread among companies, sole proprietorship enterprises who execute a large number of financial transactions regularly. So next, once again we can discuss about this. Can I open current account with GST? To carry out the financial transactions for your business, you require to set up a current account. However, GST is not mandatory to open a current account. A current bank account is widespread among companies, sole proprietorships, enterprises who execute a large number of financial transactions regularly. So, GST is not mandatory for current account. And next point is, can I keep 10 lakhs in my current account? The amount can be deposited in a bank account is capped at 10 lakhs. The income tax department may issue an income tax notice to a savings account customer who invests more than 10 lakhs in a financial year. Next point is, can RBI freeze bank account? A bank account can be blocked unless there is a appropriate direction from judicial authority or law enforcement agency under applicable provisions under the Act, like Section 51A of Unlawful Activities Act 1967. So it is very rare. Next point is, what is withdrawal from business for personal use? The amount which the owner withdraw from business or personal use is called as drawings. What is the next point? Point is, what is withdrawal from business or personal use? The amount of which the owner withdraw from business or personal use is called as drawings. It is shown as a deduction from the amount of capital in the balance sheet. Next point is, what is the limit of business without GST? A business whose aggregate turnover in a financial year extends 40 lakhs, 20 lakhs for special category states, Pondicherry and Telangana, has to mandatorily register under goods and services tax. So under GST, goods and services tax means GST. So if it is up to exceeds 40 lakhs, compulsory GST has to be there. Is a current account tax free? As we mentioned earlier, that a current account is a zero interest account. There is no tax on current account. Is a current account tax free? As we mentioned earlier, that a current account is a zero interest account. There is no tax on current account. This is the information regarding the business account. All these will be useful to those who are interested to start an entrepreneur or otherwise any type of sole proprietorship or proprietorship, they will have all these doubts. So it will clear those doubts. Wishing you all the best.